Welcome back. All morning long, we have been celebrating St. Patty's Day, and I don't have my hat, and I don't even know where I put it.
I didn't even think to grab my hat.
I don't even know where I put it.
Well, that's all right. We've been hatting it up all morning.
Yes, but we did make some Irish milkshakes earlier. You want to recap what we did for those?
Yeah, with the Irish milkshakes, we had some Thin Mints, we had some ice cream, and we blended that all together with some green food coloring so it would turn green, and then we put some whipped topping on there, and then another Thin Mint cookie thing.
Okay.
That's how we made those, and they're pretty good.
And with our Guinness corned beef, we've got the recipe for that we'll have on the website. A few more ingredients for that. But we used a flat cut corned beef so we can slice it. I'm trying to get to it right now, actually. This was almost a whole head of cabbage that I added in the last hour, and I wanted to go ahead and pull that out so I could get to the actual meat and get that out. Here we go. Here we go. Can you hand me this plate?
Yeah. Ron's here. Ron, you may remember Ron from when we made TV dinners several months ago.
Oh my God, that's beautiful. Okay. Thank you. Yay.
There we go.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and slice you off.
Okay, so while she slices, we wanted to tell you, salted beef is called corned beef because of the large kernels of rock salt that's used to preserve it. It used to be expensive and was reserved for royalty until England enacted the Cattle Acts in the 1660s, which prohibited Irish cattle exports to England. That meant more Irish beef stayed home and prices became more affordable. Ireland became really good at corning beef, and the country had a lower salt tax than England and could get higher quality salt from Portugal and Spain. And eventually, Irish corned beef became a commodity that dominated transatlantic trade. How about that?
Okay, and of course, the red color comes from the salting as well. So here you go. You've got your corned beef, you have potato, you have carrots and cabbage. Please try it.
I will try. I have to tell you, I can't do cabbage, but I'm sure it's delicious.
I want you to try the corned beef.
I will. Why?
I'm cutting it for you even.
Oh,
it's probably really hot.
It is very hot. All right, that carrot was pretty good.
And we cooked it for 8 hours in the crock pot with a bottle of Guinness beer over it. Obviously, it's cooked long enough that any of the alcohol liquor content would be cooked out of it, so it'd be safe for your family.
No, it's not bad.
What do you think?
Pretty good. Never had it before. It's not
New
bad.
Irish tradition?
Perhaps.
And of course, you can find the recipe for this, for the Guinness corned beef, and for our Irish milkshakes, which the longer they set, the greener they got, which was very interesting, on our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. All right, we'll be right back.